Okay, today is Wednesday, and this is the start of your vacation presentation. Um, I'm going to read this for you, and before I read it, though, I wanted to show you that after you finish slides 1, 2, and 3, this should be completed on Wednesday. Slides 4, 5, and 6 should be completed by the end of Thursday, and then 7, 8, and 9 should be finished by the time you leave class on Friday. At the end of Friday, you should be able to submit your project, and that's when it's due on Friday. If you've been out a day or two, I can look at that and I'll be able to give you more time next week. So here's what you're going to do. On slide number 1, you're going to do the title of your slide is going to be Family Vacation Budget. On this slide, you're going to include your name, the career that you chose, the salary of that career, and then you're going to include the number of people in your family for this project and a picture of your transportation. This should be the same type of vehicle that you had on the day 1 budgeting, unless you decide to rent a vehicle and you have to include that cost on this sheet here. Okay, so make sure that if you showed that you had a truck, make sure you use a truck or an image of a truck. Slide number 2 is going to be titled Day 1. You're going to include your destination, both the city and state, how much budget you had for your vacation, the lodging cost, whether it be a hotel, campsite, cottage, beach house, whatever, wherever you stayed for those 6 nights, and then image of the lodging and the image of the location somewhere. Slide 3 is the title of the slide is going to be just Day 2. You're going to include your list of your activities, the total cost of these activities for this day, and 2 images that go along with those activities. That should complete the first day of this project on Wednesday. The next day on Thursday, you need to complete slides 4, 5, and 6. The title on slide 4 is going to be Day 3. You're going to include the list of your activities, the total cost of the activities, and again 2 images. Same thing for slide 5 for day 4, slide 6 for day 5. On Friday, or by Friday, you should be getting to where you're almost finished. You're working on slides 7, 8, and 9. On slide 7, you're going to title it Day 6, include the list of your activities, the total cost of the activities for this day, and 2 images. Slide 8, title it the slide Day 7. You're going to include images of the souvenirs and the cost of those said items. Also images of food that you might have ate during the week and also the cost of those items. Slide 9. You're going to title this slide How Did I Do? I need for you to tell me whether you were over or under budget. If you'd like to, you can compare your total cost to your budget that you had up here at the beginning. And you can say, okay, if I came close to it, did I go over? If so, by how much? If it's only $20 or $30, that doesn't seem like a whole lot, that's okay. But if you were over $100 or more, you may need to go back and double check some things and take some things off. You don't want to come back from a family vacation trip and be in debt. It doesn't have a good feeling to it. It makes the trip not as enjoyable. Okay, so tell me whether you're under or over budget. If you had to make any changes, what were they? And include an image that would show how you would feel at the end of your trip. I also need for you to include some transitions between slides. I will be checking the work on Wednesday afternoon and Thursday afternoon. So if you have any questions, if you'd like to post a question for me, I can answer back and answer for all the students if I need to clarify something. If I see that y'all are working so fast and that y'all may be finished before Friday, I may include a new assignment, so be on the lookout for that. Y'all be wonderful for Miss Rodriguez for me, and I will see y'all back next Monday. Thank y'all.